We'll look at the next set now. Another DI based reasoning set. You have a lot of data also, and you have to do your reasoning, use your numbers, etc. Ganga, Kaveri, and Narmada are three women who buy four raw materials: mango, apple, banana, milk, and they sell five finished products: mango smoothie, apple smoothie, banana smoothie, mixed fruit smoothie, and fruit salad. Table 1 gives information about these raw materials required to produce the five finished products. For example, mango smoothie requires mango and milk. Fruit salad requires mango, apple, banana, no milk, like that. 1 unit of a finished product requires 1 unit of each of the raw materials mentioned. For example, mango smoothie बनाना है 1 unit mango, 1 unit milk, ऐसे करके, ठीक है. Now, 1 unit of milk, mango, apple and banana का cost दे दिया उन्होंने, through which we can get the cost of each product. Milk 5 rupees, mango 3 rupees, apple 2 rupees, banana 1 rupee. So milk पहले लिख दिया. Mango is 3 rupees. Mango is over here. And mixed fruit smoothie में and fruit salad में. Apple is 2 rupees. And banana is 1 rupee. 1 rupee इधर and इधर. ठीक है. So this gives us the total cost price. So total cost price turns out to be 8, 7, 6, 5, 11 and 6. 8, 7, 6, 11 and 6. ठीक है. Each unit of a finished product is sold for a profit equal to 2 times the number of raw materials used to make that product. So the profit is twice the number of raw materials. So here 2 into 2, 4, 4, 4. 2 into 4, 4 raw materials, 8 rupees. 2 into 3, 6 rupees. When you add the profit to the cost price, you'll get the selling price. So 8 plus 4, 12. 7 plus 4, 11, 6 plus 4, 10, 11 plus 8, 19, and 6 plus 6, 12. ठीक है. So ये आपका selling price आ गया. For example, apple smoothie is made with 2 raw materials and will be sold for a profit of 4 rupees. That's what we have written for apple smoothie. Apple smoothie 4 rupees. Now comes the leftover, something different here. Leftover raw materials are sold during the last business hour of the day for a loss of 1 rupee per unit. Leftover raw materials. So यहाँ पे जो costs दी हुई हैं 5, 3 and 2, leftover raw materials का cost becomes 4, 2 and 1 and 0. Banana ka cost is 0. 4210 is for the leftovers. The amount in rupees received from sales revenue for each woman in each of the 4 business hours is given. So let's take some notations. Mango smoothie, we'll write it as M. Apple smoothie A. Banana smoothie B. Mixed fruit smoothie, we'll write it as S. Fruit salad, we'll write it as F. S, F. Just some labels. Table 2 का कुछ लिखा नहीं है. Description. Yeah. Amount in rupees. received from sales for each woman in the 4 business hours is given. So for example, यहाँ पे लिखा है Ganga has sold products and made 23 rupees. ठीक है. So let's read. No one except possibly Ganga sold any mango smoothie. So Ganga might have sold mango smoothie but nobody else. So Ganga की बात करते हैं. 23 rupees can be the sum of which two values? She has been selling some products. 23 कैसे आएगा? 12 plus 11 आएगा. ठीक है. 11 is what? Apple smoothie. 12 कैसे आएगा? Either M mango smoothie or fruit salad. So M oblique F. M oblique F. ठीक है. 21 कैसे आएगा? 11 plus 10 is the only possibility. That's A and B. How do you get 29? 29 will be 19 plus 10. No other possibility. That's a banana smoothie and a mixed fruit smoothie. B and S. Hour 4 पे हम आएंगे. Kaveri 19 कैसे आएगा? Only possibility is S. How do you get 22? 10 plus 12. 22 is 10 plus 12. यहाँ पे आ जाओ एक बारी. 22 is also 11 plus 11. ठीक है. तो 10 plus 12 में क्या आएगा? B and F because M is not allowed. B and F. But I was also thinking 11 plus 11 is also possible. Then you read the second point. Each woman sold either 0 or 1 unit of any single finished product. Either 0 or 1. 2 units is not allowed. So 2 units of apple smoothie is not allowed. 11 plus 11. ठीक है. 30 कैसे आएगा? 19 plus 11. That's A and S. 31 कैसे आएगा? 19 and 12. 19 is S. 12 has to be F because M is not allowed. Mango smoothie is not allowed. 21 कैसे आएगा? 10 and 11 will be 21. No other possibility. A and B. 23 will be 12 and 11, but M is not allowed. So that's A and F. ठीक है. Now we come to the hour 4 and leftover raw materials are sold during the last business hour for a loss. So in the last business hour you have leftover items also, and of course you are selling your products as well. So we can talk about Ganga. Each woman had exactly 1 unit each of 2 different raw materials left over. Each woman had exactly 1 unit of each of 2 different raw materials which she is selling for a loss of 1 rupee, or at a loss of 1 rupee. No one had banana left over. So let's get rid of the bananas. 4 to 1. ठीक है. So exactly 1 unit of 2 values. So you can have 4 plus 2, or you can have 4 plus 1, or you can have 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2 or 4 plus 1 or 2 plus 1 for each person. Ganga, Kaveri, Narmada. ठीक है. So let's come to Ganga first, who has a total of 30. तो गंगा का जो 30 आया है, 4 plus 2 becomes 6. 6 plus 24 is 30. समझ में आ रहा है? गंगा का टोटल is 30. How do you get 30 rupees? 4 plus 2 plus 24. And how can you make 24? 24 कैसे बनेगा? 24 का the only possibility is M and F. So we'll put M and F over here. There is no other possibility here. 30 is 4 plus 1 plus 25. Can you make 25 somehow? 25 is not possible. And 2 plus 1, 3 plus 27. Can you make 27 over here? 27 is not possible. These two cases are not possible. So Ganga ka confirm ho gaya. She sold a mango smoothie and a fruit salad. I hope you are understanding what's going on. Then we have Kaveri, who had 27 rupees. So again, we can have 4 plus 2 plus 21, or we can have 4 plus 1, 5 plus 22. But we already know from the previous part that 22 is not possible. 21 किससे बन सकता है? 10 and 11 will give me 21. That's A and B. 22 is not possible. What about 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1, 3, and 24. Is 24 possible? 24 is 12 plus 12. But Miss Kaveri did not sell mango smoothie. And fruit salad, you can have only 1 unit, not 2 units. So this is also not possible. 24 is also not possible for Kaveri. समझ में आ रहा है? I've checked all the possibilities. 4 plus 2, 1 plus 2, and 4 plus 1. This is the only possibility. Finally, we come to, so ये आ गया A and B. Now we come to Narmada, who has a total of 22. 22 becomes 2 plus 1 plus 19. 19 is your smoothie, mixed fruit smoothie. या फिर 4 plus 1, 5 plus 17. 17 is not possible. Or 4 plus 2 plus 16. And 16 is also not possible. So यहाँ पे she has sold a smoothie. Let's check if we have all of our cases. कुछ छूट तो नहीं गया. One case जल्दी में, and that was basically एक यहाँ ऊपर. I just realized that 22 बन सकता है. 4 plus 1 plus 22. Because 21 कैसे हमने बनाया? 11 and 10. 22 will be 12 and 10, no? 22, 12 and 10 से बन सकता है, but mango smoothie is not allowed. So it will be this 12 and 10, B and F. B, F. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा चेंज करना है. A will definitely be the इधर. So in these two possible cases in the last hour, she definitely sold B. She definitely sold B, and then A, F में से कोई एक. Check. There are two cases. She definitely sold B, but either A or F, depending on the case. This ends the set. This was a lot of work to do. And this was tough. And now we mark our answers. Everything is written. If you have any issues, you can put it into the comments if you are facing any kind of problem. What best can be concluded about the number of units of fruit salad in the first hour? First hour fruit salad. F कितनी बार आ रहा है? Maybe once and definitely once. So 1 either plus 0 or plus 1. So either 1 or 2. समझ में आया? In the first hour, this fruit salad is confirmed, but this one is not confirmed. So either 1 unit or 2 units. Either 1 or 2. ठीक है? Which of the following is necessarily true? Narmada sold 1 unit of leftover milk. Leftover milk is 4 rupees. Narmada में 4 rupees है ही नहीं. This is false. Kaveri sold 1 unit of mangoes. Mangoes is 2 rupees. Kaveri 2 rupees is not confirmed. It is a possibility. Ganga did not sell leftover apples. Apples are 1 rupee. Loss. Sold for 1 rupee. Ganga did not sell leftover apples. So Ganga, she has sold milk and mangoes, but not apples. So therefore, this is the true statement. This is the true statement. ठीक है. 13th, what best can be concluded about the total units of milk that the three women had at the beginning? So we have to count milk. And milk किस किस में है? Everything except F. Every component has milk except F. So we will now count milk. Okay, so very, very carefully let us add M oblique F. M में milk है 1 oblique F में नहीं है 0. So 1 oblique 0. ठीक है. A में है. So 2 oblique 1. कैसे लिखें इसको? How do I mark it for you all? ठीक है. Let's try something. M में है F में नहीं है. A है S F में नहीं है. A1 B1 B1 F nothing A1 B1 B1 S में 1 unit A1 unit S1 unit A1 unit F0 units M1 unit F0 units B0 units A1 unit oblique F0 units. यहाँ पे oblique बनाते हैं S1 unit. ठीक है. चलो, सो नाउ लेट अस ऐड. सो एक एक करके ले लेते हैं. सो यहाँ पे लेट्स टेक 1. यहाँ पे 1 लेते हैं. ठीक है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 कुछ एरर है? B has milk, S has milk, A has milk, F does not have milk. Looks okay? चलो चलते. So let's try with 1 here. 1 के साथ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. अगर यहाँ पे 1 लिया तो 17 के साथ 18 आ जाएगा. अगर यहाँ पे 0 लिया तो 16 के साथ +1 17. 16 + 0 + 1 17 आ जाएगा. So if I am taking 1 over here, I am getting two possible values 17 and 18. If I am taking 0 over here, I will get two possible values 16 and 17. But this is not matching. So I will need to check this again. This looks okay. Let's check. There's one more thing that we have to consider. That thing is the leftovers. Leftover में Ganga has 1 unit of milk. Kaveri leftover, the leftovers that have been sold. See, you have counted everything. Or you have only counted the products that you actually sold. You didn't count the milk from the leftovers. How much milk that did the three women have? Ganga had another unit of milk जो कि leftover में चला गया. Kaveri had 1 unit of milk, no matter which case you take, and she sold it in the leftovers. But Narmada did not have the milk. Narmada did not have the milk. ठीक है. So now let us add. So अगर यहाँ पे मैंने 1 लिया, oh I already added it before, right? If you want we can add it again. अगर यहाँ 1 लिया 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. अगर यहाँ 1 लिया 17 18 19 20 आ जाएगा. अगर यहाँ 0 लिया तो 19 आ जाएगा. So if I am taking 1 unit over here, I am getting 19 oblique 20. If I take 0 over here, I'll get 18 oblique 19. जिसमें से 19 is already counted. So it's 18 or 19 or 20. A part is the right answer for question number 13. And question number 14. If it is known that 3 leftover units of mangoes were sold during the last business hour? How do you get 3 leftover units of mangoes? Then how many milk? Okay, so let me remove all these values. ये blue color remove कर देता हूँ. Yeah, so we wrote over here 18, 19, 20, A part. If it is known that 3 leftover units of mangoes were sold during the last business hour, how do you get leftovers of mangoes? Mango का cost was 2 rupees. So we search for the twos. एक इधर, एक इधर, एक इधर. आ गया. How many apple smoothies were sold during the day? It is basically saying that आप K का ये वाला first case लो and don't take the second one. So apple smoothies A's को count कर लेते हैं. एक, दो, तीन, चार, चार, पाँच, and in the last hour, 6. 6 is the right answer for question number 14, and that was a nice set. Good.